Alright, so I'm just working on this new desktop table that I have for my new computer setup. I just need to, keep working on it and see if I can get it up. Right now, yeah, I just realized I have a little bit of a mistake on this side. As you can see, there's a hole right here, none right here. Well, what's that? Oh, it's on the other side, so I gotta fix that. Alright, just give me a sec. Ah, that looks a little bit better. Now, just need to get this in. We're good to go. I'm start putting on the top. Let's get it. I'm having to flip it over just to connect up these screws. Alright. Now I screwed on the bottom here, just like I did with the top. Right? But then we kind of have an issue over here. There's a screw that I put in right here. And this is supposed to be connected here. Right? Just like how I did over here. So I'm gonna have to unscrew that part just to make it look like this. I need to just go get the other part now, and let's get it. There it is. So far, finally got the parts underneath set up. Now just to fit in this part and then down here. Alright, let's get it. And there it is, there it is. Arrows and stuff. I don't know what this little hook piece is for, but there it is. Gonna have to put PC on it now. Oh, good. Alright, so there it is. Got it set up. Right there. PC. Everything on the table. Alright, there. Think that's enough. Alright, tic tac. And what do you think?